Hey there, have you heard about this new text-to-speech product called Murph AI? It's taking the industry to the next level with its artificial intelligence capabilities. With Murph AI, you can create ultra-realistic voiceovers in a fun and entertaining way. A platform is an internet-based tool that uses text-to-speech conversion and AI to develop voiceovers, and you can make changes until you're satisfied. One of the best things about Murph AI is that it has a collection of over 100 professional voices in 20 different languages, which are manually selected to ensure high-quality results. Whether you're a content creator, writer, podcaster, teacher, animator, product developer, or corporate trainer, you can use this in-house voiceover tool to bring your material to life. And the best part is that you can customize your speech and voice to make them unique, a rare feature in TTS software. Murph AI is also an easy-to-use app that allows you to match the timing of your voice to your movies and has built-in speech and pitch control features. This means you can use the platform to create great voiceovers, young or old. You can also modify your material and make changes in the future, making it a must-have tool for all your future tasks. With Murph's AI-powered sound, you can add various effects to the voiceover such as reverb, bending, phasing, and chorus, expanding the possibilities for creating excellent voiceovers. The platform also allows you to watch your voice in real time, making it easy to make any necessary changes before getting the final result. Getting started with Murph AI is a breeze. You can create a new project or modify one of the many ready-made templates. You'll then be taken to the editing pages, where you can add videos, images, and soundtracks and make changes. You can adjust the pitch, tempo, and volume, and insert pauses and highlights. And with the Enterprise plan, you can stream online training at scale and create best-in-class, natural-sounding voices. So if you're looking for a high-quality, inexpensive option for creating voiceovers for various applications, give Murph AI a try. It's fast, easy to use, and delivers excellent results. You can modify your projects and voices in the future and present them to your team for editing. Start creating voiceovers today. Hey friend, have you heard of this productivity tool called Notion? It's been taking the productivity world by storm, and it's not hard to see why. It's like a Swiss Army knife for all your productivity needs. You can use it for taking notes, writing articles, creating to-do lists, project management, and so much more. The universal workspace can help you stay organized and on top of everything. One thing that sets Notion apart from other productivity tools is its modular design. You can freely arrange and customize your workspace's layout, making it your own. And to make things even easier, Notion has a library of templates you can use as a starting point for your project. There's a template for everything, from writing articles to planning a product launch to scheduling an event. And if you can't find a template that works for you, you can always create your own from scratch. One of the best things about the service is that you can create different workspaces for different projects. This means that you can keep all your information organized and separated, making it easy to focus on one thing at a time. And if you're working with a team, you can invite others to collaborate in real time on a workspace. That way, you can all stay on the same page and get things done together. Another cool feature of Notion is its automatic save feature. Every time you change a page or block, the service saves it. If you ever need to go back and view the history of a page, you can. And if you accidentally delete something or want to experiment with different versions, you can restore a previous version with just a few clicks. Now let's talk about the Notion AI feature. It's like having a personal writing assistant. You can use the power of GPT-3 to help you write faster and better. Whether you're writing a blog post, a meeting agenda, a social media post, a press release, or even a poem, Notion AI has your back. It can also help you summarize longer pieces of content, correct spelling and grammar, and even translate text into different languages, including English, Spanish, Chinese, and French. And while the Notion AI feature is in alpha, you can sign up for the waiting list to get access. The service also integrates with other popular productivity tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Jira, so you can easily add information from those tools to your Notion workspace. For example, you can add files from Google Drive to Notion or send messages from Slack directly to a Notion page. And the best part is that the service is available in both mobile and desktop so that you can access your workspace from anywhere. The mobile app is available for iOS and Android, and the desktop app is available for Mac and Windows. Finally, Notion has an API that allows developers to create their integrations and apps on top of Notion. This opens up a world of possibilities and gives developers a lot of flexibility in how they use Notion. All in all, Notion is a fantastic productivity tool that has something for everyone. Its modular design, library of templates, real-time collaboration, automatic save feature, Notion AI, integrations with other devices, and availability on mobile desktop make it a must-have tool for anyone looking to be more productive and organized. Hey friend, have you heard about the Swim Continuous Documentation System? It's a game changer for development teams. You see, code documentation has always been a bit of a headache. Keeping documents up to date with their code has been challenging, and until there has yet to be a scalable or sustainable solution. But Swim is here to solve all of that. Swim allows teams to manage policies and documentation updates within the CI/CD pipeline, and it's super easy to use. It ensures that the documents are always up to date even when the code changes. And the best part, it brings benefits almost immediately. The system creates documentation when new code is shipped and links it directly to the code itself through snippets, function names, and values. You can easily find documents while working on a task, exploring a new code, or sharing knowledge with your team. And maintaining and updating the records is a breeze with Swim's automatic synchronization. But it's about more than just having documentation for the sake of having it. Swim makes the documentation more effective by encouraging developers to discuss the why behind the code, not just the how. The team has also provided tools to help developers become better writers, such as the ability to embed live code into documents and store them in a code repository. Swim is an intelligent system that recognizes when code changes affect the documentation. Its patented verify and auto-sync feature automatically update the documents, so you don't have to worry about keeping everything up to date. And it integrates directly with tools that developers use daily, like Slack and GitHub, so it's always accessible. The Swim GitHub app is a massive help for development teams. It allows you to create, maintain, and find documentation as part of the development workflow. And the app runs Swim Verify whenever a PR is opened or updated, so you can be sure that the documentation stays current with the code. And if you're worried about tracking and finding new documents, don't be. Swim has a feature that sends notifications in Slack or via email whenever a new record is created and merged with the main branch. And if you modify the code with associated documentation, the app will recommend the documentation for review. And in case you're wondering, the team has thought of everything. If something goes wrong in the main branch, they've created the ability to run Swim Verify only for files that have been changed in the pull request. That way, you can keep track of the changes and fix any issues without worrying about failing Swim Verify. Have you heard of Merlin? It's a game changer for anyone who uses the internet daily. With Service, you have the power of OpenAI's ChatGPT technology at your fingertips, right in your browser. No more endless scrolling or wading through irrelevant information. Merlin can analyze text and generate summaries, action them, and video scripts. You can provide it with the full text of your content and ask it to create a resume based on that text. It will then analyze the text and offer a concise and comprehensive overview that includes all the content's main points and key details. Service can also help you write complex Excel formulas and codes with ease. Simply provide a prompt describing the function or operation you want, and Merlin will suggest a formula or code to get the job done. And what about those emails that seem to pile up every day? Service can help you with professional responses in no time. Provided with the context of the email, the desired tone, and the content of your answer, and watch as Merlin generates text that matches your style and scope perfectly. Merlin is also great for summarizing long-form content like documents, articles, books, or research papers. Just give it the title of your content or copy it and ask it to generate a summary, and voila, you'll have a shorter version of the content that still captures the essence of the paper. Service can even be an excellent tool for coding problems. Provide it with a brief description of your situation, and it will analyze your query and automatically write the code for you. And if you have a child curious about the world, Ask Merlin any question they ask and watch as it explains the answer in simple, easy to understand language. Jamison, Lerner, and Michael are just two of the many people who have raved about the benefits of using Merlin. Jamison thinks the only addition that could improve the experience is the introduction of a voice mode, where you can dictate your queries and hear the answers read back to you. And Michael has been using the Merlin add-on for Chrome and can't say enough about how it's made web browsing so much easier with its built-in ad blocker, fast and safe search engine, and user-friendly interface. If you still need to start using Merlin, it's high time you tried it. Hey friend, have you heard of AI Photos? It's a fantastic company that uses artificial intelligence to create artfully inspiring photos. They focus on couples, but individuals can also use their services. The best part is that clients appreciate the company's mission, customer support, and design. AI Photos aims to make every photo artfully inspiring, and they do just that. For only $4.99, you can access over 150 digital images, and if you want a print-ready photo, they offer it for $7.99. There are over 50 stars for men, women, and couples. But it's not just about the photos. AI Photos uses its cutting-edge AI technology to create realistic and unique digital avatars for various contexts, like social media, games, or virtual reality environments. They offer a limited time discount of 50% off, so you can have the chance to experience an unrealistic digital representation of yourself or your significant other. And the feedback from users is fantastic. Take Ahmad Satchel for example. He thinks it's a pretty cool app that's simple to use and creates exciting avatars in many different genres. He's even using one of AI Photos avatars and says the results are excellent. It took him a while to pick just one avatar because there were so many great options. Overall, AI Photos is worth checking out if you're looking for a fun and personalized virtual experience or just a unique digital representation of yourself or your significant other. With their advanced technology, excellent customer support, and fantastic design, you won't regret it. Highly recommended.